Hi kids, I'm Motu Kidoozo, and welcome to my color lab. Look around, it's full of paints, brushes, and bright splashy colors. I've got 3 magic paints right here, red, blue, and yellow. They're glowing with excitement. But what if I mix them? Let's see. First up, red and blue. Oh boy, careful Motu. Oops, don't spill it. That was close. All right, in goes the red. And now the blue. Give it a little stir. Wow, look at that. The colors are swirling like a mini tornado. It's purple. Ta-da! Hello there, little purple blob. You look so royal and bright. Haha, hey, don't tickle my nose. Stop. Oh no. Okay, time for the next experiment. Let's take yellow and blue. Ooh, it's turning green. Sparkly, shiny green like grass and trees. Wait, whoa, you splashed paint on my face again. Now I look like a green monster. All right, let's clean this up. Now we mix red and yellow. Pouring red, pouring yellow. Give it a spin. Whoa, look at that glow. It's orange. Bright and happy like sunsets and oranges. Oh, it's floating away. Come back, orange. So kids, what did we learn today? When we mix red and blue, we get purple. Blue and yellow make green. And red and yellow make orange. Isn't that amazing? Let's sing it together. Cheerful background rhythm begins. Red and blue make purple bright. Yellow and blue make green just right. Red and yellow make orange light. Mixing colors feels so right. That was fun. What if we mix all the colors together? Let's do it. Pour red, blue, and yellow, all in one bowl. It's bubbling, it's glowing. Boom! Haha! Look kids, it's a rainbow. Wow, so beautiful. All the colors together make the biggest, brightest rainbow in the world. And guess what? Each color is special. Just like this rainbow. That was amazing. Thank you for joining me in my color lab today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kidoozo for more fun experiments and adventures. All right, kids, time for our rainbow dance. Mix, mix, mix. Keep coloring your world with joy.